Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com, and I am trying to get my calendar together for November as well as December and continue my no spend during the month of October and trying to be successful. So, of course, I started creating the calendar with a customized checklist. I can get this from my printer. If you scroll through your forms, you may have the same thing available if you have an HP. But so pretty much I did the checklist, and then I reprinted my DIY fish. That's a checklist. DIY fish printable calendars. And pretty much I decided to go ahead and do it on the 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, but I blew this one up to I think 110%, but just wanted to show you sometimes I do make errors like everybody else. This one came out 125 and actually cut off the second page. So pretty much, even if you do decide to reprint your printables, you can customize it to the way you want to use it during the holiday season. That way, let's say you just buy one of her trials, then you don't have to buy the full year. I actually purchased 5 years in advance. I'm trying to look for the ones that have the monthly calendars. There they are. This one has the monthly calendars for all of 21 through 24. So pretty much, if you can see, the size of this is pretty big. So when I create my, let me turn it this way. When I create my notes as well as my journals for the season, all the way through from January through December, then pretty much either I can know at a glance what week it is, number one, which is great when I'm doing my videos. And two, even when I'm focused on small business, month, I can make sure to mention all of the small business owners that I decided to support as well as continue purchasing from. So even though I am doing a no spend in October, I am definitely revving up to do some more blogs for 2022 as well as a new career line by 2025. So I got to get my checks in a row. So pretty much, I hope you decide to subscribe for more tips, tools, and artisan admin techniques as I share with you how I complete my blogs as well as publish them, on a monthly basis. I'm actually going to try and do them on a weekly basis the closer I come to 2025. So I hope you decide to subscribe. I'm Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com. Until we meet online or face to face again, be blessed.